Deanna here from Futures Past Boutique, and today I'm going to show you an antique Victorian marble and gold gilt clock that was made in Paris, France. Unfortunately, it's not working right now, but I do have the pendulum and all the mechanisms. I don't know anything about old clocks, but I thought this one was really neat. Let me pull some close-ups and zoom in to show you the detail. And it has a somberful looking lady with an anchor. Looks like it says H.W. Marc, Paris. There's the little anchor. And I'm going to show you the back. Bear with me a moment. It's very, very heavy. Extremely, extremely heavy. The bolt is coming loose that's holding the lady in. So I had to find new bolts. So here's the back. And there's the little mechanisms inside. Has a wheel in there. Let me see if I can. Let me get the light in there. Bear with me a moment. There we go. There's a little bell. And yeah, so this is this old clock that I got. Somebody, family member died, and they were getting rid of it. And I mean, I paid a pretty penny for it without it being operational. But I hope one day to get this fixed and to hear the chime of that bell. If anyone knows anything about these old French clocks, I would love to hear more. So please put it in the comments below and explain to me what this may be, how old it may be. My guess is 1860s, 1870s, 1880s. I could be wrong. And there's my little dog, up to no good once again. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.